Major approaches to the study of personality. Humanistic approach. Each branch of psychology has contributed to our understanding of the human mind and behavior. Humanist thinkers felt that both psychoanalysis and behaviorism were too pessimistic, either focusing on the most tragic of emotions or failing to take into account the role of personal choice. Rather than concentrating on dysfunction, humanistic psychology strives to help people fulfill their potential and maximize their well being. Before going to the details, please remember to subscribe this channel if you are new here. Do watch other videos in this channel and share it with students and those who love learning psychology. Thank you. Among the major approaches to the study of personality, we have learned type approaches, triad approaches, psychodynamic approach and post-Freudian approaches, then behavioral and cultural approaches. In the humanistic approach, we have learned the theories of Carl Rogers. In this video, we will learn the humanistic approach by Abraham Maslow. Abraham Maslow was an American psychologist who developed the humanistic approach to psychology. Abraham Maslow is considered to be the father of humanistic psychology. This approach focuses on understanding and studying human behavior from a positive and holistic perspective, emphasizing the personal growth, self-actualization, and the fulfillment of human potential. Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs is one of the best-known theories of motivation. Maslow's theory states that our actions are motivated by certain physiological and psychological needs that progress from basic to complex. The humanistic approach by Abraham Maslow shifted the focus of psychology from pathology and dysfunction to the study of human potential, personal growth, and self-actualization. It has influenced various areas of psychology, including counseling, education, and organizational behavior, by promoting a positive and holistic understanding of the human behavior. The hierarchy of needs is a psychological theory proposed by Abraham Maslow, which suggests that human beings have a set of basic needs that must be fulfilled in hierarchical order. Maslow's hierarchy of needs consists of 5 stages: the physiological needs, the safety and security, love and belonging, self-esteem, and finally the self-actualization. Each stage represents different level of human motivation and well-being. First one is physiological needs. These are the most fundamental needs required for survival. They include basic biological necessities. Our most basic need is for physical survival, and this will be the first thing that motivates our behavior. Once that level is fulfilled, the next level up is what motivates us, and it continues. If these needs are not satisfied, the human body cannot function optimally. Maslow considered physiological needs the most important, as all the other needs become secondary until these needs are met. The examples of the physiological needs are food, water, air, shelter, sleep, clothing, and sexual fulfillment. Once an individual's physiological needs are satisfied, the needs for security and safety become important. Safety needs. In this stage, people want to experience order, predictability, and control in their lives. Safety needs can be fulfilled by the family and society. The examples of the safety needs are personal safety, financial security, job stability, protection from violence, and a stable living environment. Law and order, freedom from fear, social stability, property, health, and overall well-being. Next is love and belongingness needs. Belongingness refers to a human emotional need for interpersonal relationships, affiliating, connectedness, and being part of a group. After fulfilling the safety needs, that is the second level, people strive to establish social connections and relationships. They seek love, affection, and a sense of belonging. The example of these needs are friendship, intimacy, family, social connections, community involvement, and the need to be accepted and loved. This need is especially strong in childhood and can override the need for safety, as witnessed in children who cling to abusive parents. Next is self-esteem or the esteem needs. These are the fourth level in Maslow's hierarchy, and it includes self-worth, accomplishment, and respect, and also gaining recognition. It includes both external and internal forms of validation. Maslow classified the esteem needs into two categories. Esteem for oneself. It includes the dignity, achievement, mastery, and independence. And second is the desire for reputation or respect from others. It includes status and prestige. So first one, the esteem for oneself and the respect from others. The esteem presents the typical human desire to be accepted and valued by others. People often engage in a profession or hobby to gain recognition. These activities give the person a sense of contribution or value. Low self-esteem or an inferiority complex may result from imbalances during this level in the hierarchy. Maslow indicated that the need for respect or reputation is most important for children and adolescents and precedes real self-esteem or dignity. The examples of the esteem needs are achievement, status, reputation, self-confidence, competence, recognition, respect, and feeling valued by others. The final stage or in the top of the pyramid is the self-actualization needs. These are the highest level in Maslow's hierarchy and refer to the realization of a person's potential, self-fulfillment, and seeking personal growth and peak experiences. Maslow described this level as the desire to accomplish everything that one can and to become everything one is capable of becoming. Individuals may perceive or focus on this need very specifically. For example, one individual may have strong desire to become an ideal parent. Another person's desire may be expressed athletically, and for others, it may be expressed in paintings, pictures, or inventions. Although Maslow did not believe that many of us could achieve the true self-actualization, he did believe that all of us experience transitory moments, and it is known as the peak experience of self-actualization. Such moments associated with personally significant events such as the childbirth, sporting achievement, examination success, etc. These are difficult to achieve and maintain consistently. So that is why we get the experience or we experience the transitory moments or the peak experience of the self-actualization. The hierarchy of needs is a general framework and individuals may prioritize and experience these needs differently, and it is based on cultural, personal, and individual factors. Let's see the 5 levels of Maslow's hierarchy with an example so that you will be able to understand it better. John's immediate concern is meeting his physiological needs. He needs food to nourish himself and water to stay hydrated. He requires safe and comfortable place to live, preferably with access to basic amenities. In this stage, John's primary focus is on finding a job that can provide him with a stable income to fulfill these basic needs. Once John had secured a job, he ensured his physiological needs are met. He started thinking about safety needs. He wants to have a sense of security and stability in his life. He seeks a job that offers financial security, a reasonable level of job security and health insurance. He also looks for a safe neighborhood to live in and take necessary precautions to protect himself from potential dangers. So, from the physiological needs, the needs hierarchy goes to the safety needs. With his physiological and the safety needs are satisfied, John now desires social connections and a sense of belonging. He seeks out friendship and tries to establish new relationships. John may join social clubs or organizations, attend social events, or reconnect with old friends. He looks for romantic relationship and value love and support of his family. He aims to create meaningful connections and that bring him joy, acceptance, and a sense of being a part of community. As John continues to grow, he strives for recognition and self-esteem. In his new job, he seeks opportunities to prove his competence and make valuable contributions. John aims to receive positive feedback and recognition for his achievements. He may also set personal goals, develop his skills, and seek validation from both himself and others. Achieving his goals and gaining a good reputation helps him build self-confidence and a sense of self-worth. After fulfilling these needs, John now focuses on self-actualization. He explores his passions, interests, and personal values. John may engage in creative endeavors such as painting or writing or pursue further education to deepen his knowledge in a specific field. He seeks personal growth, spiritual fulfillment, and a sense of purpose in his life. John strives to live authentically, aligning his actions with his values and aspirations. John progresses through the stages of hierarchy, initially fulfilling the physiological needs, then gradually moving towards the self-actualization as he meets each level's requirement. It's important to note that individuals may move back and forth between the stages depending on their circumstances, but the general pattern of needs typically follows this hierarchical progression. So, what we have learned in this video? Maslow's hierarchy of needs. There are 5 levels in Maslow's pyramid. From the bottom of the hierarchy upwards, the needs are physiological, safety, love and belonging needs, self-esteem, self-actualization. Maslow asserted that so long as basic needs necessary for survival were met, the higher level needs would begin to motivate the behavior. So this is all about the Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Hope you liked this video. Please share and subscribe. The upcoming video will be on the topic Assessment of Personality. Thank you and keep smiling.